Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get pink blocks in Block Blast. Tap the pink spawner first, then target its adjacent tiles to force pink drops. Prioritize matches that clear paths toward the spawner so new pink blocks can flow in. Save a booster for congested rounds when the spawner is blocked, and watch for combos that multiply pink yields, keeping gameplay calm and strategic for steady pink collection. To get more pink blocks, think 2 moves ahead and set up chains that bring pinks toward your active area. Clear supporting obstacles slowly rather than all at once, so the spawner's output finds your matches. Edge matches are powerful because they steer incoming pink blocks into the center, increasing your chances for consecutive pink hits. Stay patient and focus on redirecting flow instead of random clearing for consistent results. Boosters change the game when used at the right moment, so save them for rounds with limited pink access. Trigger a booster after a large combo to convert cascade energy into extra pink blocks, multiplying rewards. If a level demands fast pink collection, consider stacking 2 boosters together to flood the board and create multiple match opportunities. Good timing turns occasional pinks into predictable outcomes and reduces frustrating dry runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.